My people, Bumi elder sister don come accuse Mohbad say e give Bumi infection. Ever since wey dis guy take kpai, na infection dem dey treat. Bumi herself don come out confirm the news. Me, I no understand whether spirit dey doke and spirit go come still give im press.
So at this point, Shongbo, at this point, Josie, wàá fẹ́ ńlá. Ó ń pariwo wọ́n Wùnmí, wọ́n Wùnmí. Jẹ́ ká sọ iye antibiotics tí Wùnmí lò nínú ilé ọmọ ẹ̀. Jẹ́ ká sọ iye infection tí Wùnmí treat nínú ilé ọmọ ẹ̀. Ṣé bá dákẹ́ àsọ̀rọ̀? Antibiotics tó ń lò bọ̀ nínú ilé ọmọ ẹ̀, ṣé ká sọ? Infection tó ń treat bọ̀ nínú ilé ọmọ ẹ̀, ṣé ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbé wọn síta, ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ? Kò ní dáa fún ẹ Josie. Ṣé mọ̀ pé ìwọ ló jẹ́ ká débi tá dé yìí? Àbó mọ̀ pé ìwọ ló jẹ́ ká bára wa níbi tá dé yìí? Okay. Kí ló dé láti 7 months ago ń pariwo de fọ́kà lọ́mọ tó jọ ọkùnrin ẹ̀ ló jàbálẹ̀ ẹ̀. Antibiotics ń kọjá lo antibiotics nígbà tí Wùnmí wà nulẹ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀. Don't treat infection. Àbólórí burúkú ni ẹni Josie. Àdẹ́ńdákẹ́ àdẹ́fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀. Èmi ò wá ní jẹ́ kó jẹ́ kí n gbá ọmọ ẹ síta bí ọmọ ọjọ́ mẹ́jọ torí ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọ ẹ tẹ́lẹ̀ ò kí ẹ̀. Tó fẹ́ sọ pé Wùnmí ò kí n treat infection nínú ilé ọmọ ẹ, ó mọ̀ ń pa infection. Ó mọ̀ ń pa bó ṣe sọ pé ó ń fuck around. Ó ní Wùnmí máa ń wá fẹjọ́ sùn ẹ̀. Ṣé ẹjọ́ ṣìnà nìkan ni Wùnmí fi ń sùn ẹ̀? Kò ń sọ fún ẹ pé òun treat infection. Kò ń sọ fún ẹ pé òun lo antibiotics láti treat infection. Kò ní dá fún ẹ Josie. Kò ní dá fún ẹ.
Yes, so my people, still on the matter, una don hear from Bumi sister Mad how Mohbad take give her sister infection. Na this one be my talk or question. Before Mohbad kpai, na e give Bumi infection, or after e don kpai, e come from the spirit world, come duke Bumi and e come give am this infection. Abi spirit still dey duke? My people, make una let me know. Make una watch wetin Bumi come take confirm the update. Feel am again.
Dear all, I would like to appreciate everyone that has stood by my son and I. You are the reason we're still breathing in this trying moment. I would like to urge you all to please preserve the lovely memory of my husband. My husband was a good and loving man, and I would marry him over and over again. I've never personally at any time told anyone that my husband gives me STDs, belongs to a court, on drugs, and neither have I told anyone he beats me. I know you all love me and want to defend Liam, and I will truly appreciate it. I'm alive to take the blame, pressure, accusations, and causes. Sadly, my husband can't defend himself. I love my husband even in death. I still honor him. If you love me, please respect the memory of my husband. My own, I not see that one. My defender, the shoulders I lean on. My friend, my Larry Olua is a good man. He was good to us, his family and friends. Liam, our son, will grow up to read and see everything about his father, Ilere Olua Oladimeji Aloba, and I want him to be proud of his father's legacy. Thank you very much again for your unwavering love towards Mohbad, Liam, and I. God bless you more and more. Yours sincerely, Wunmi.
My people, una don hear from my learned colleague wetin Bumi come talk. I dey wonder which kind family Mohbad for go marry. This one no be the Bumi wey e no fit come out come address the nation wide world about how her husband take kpai, but she get time to come write full story like this or flow down. Now you go take know say all these people dem know wetin dem dey do. Na because of wetin Wunmi sister come talk, na im Mohbad and im papa get dirty spirit against dat boy wey dem dey call Liam. Na im make papa Mohbad still dey stand say dem must do DNA test. Maybe na another man dey duke Wunmi wey she take get dat infection, but her sister decided to come out and turn the matter just because of DNA wahala. I no know how woman abi women go dey fear to do DNA test. My people, una be woman, una be mothers. DNA test still dey hard. If woman trust herself, she suppose dey use hand dey knack her chest say make we go do am now. Even though na 100 hospital, I go follow una go. But Wunmi and her family, DNA test don turn to who dey dig something for inside ground. You see the life. Men and women, abeg, watch, observe before you go enter any family say you wan go marry. Some kind family for this world, dem be mad people. Their home be like psychiatric home. The day wey you go marry one, automatically you don dey take care of mad people. Take it or leave it. Na be this Wunmi and her family matter just be. I come dey wonder, na justice dem dey find for Mohbad or dem dey defend DNA matter? I no come understand. Woman wey no fit fight or find justice for her husband, na dat woman wan come tell us say she love her husband pass any other thing. Even next life, she go fit still marry dat man. My people, may we use this Mohbad matter take dey learn. This one na big lesson. E get why. Leave your opinion, but justice for Mohbad.